Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. Introduction: the context of green hydrogen. As the world grapples with the pressing challenge of climate change, there is an increasing need to shift from fossil fuels to more sustainable forms of energy. One promising solution lies in the production and use of green hydrogen, a clean, renewable fuel that can serve a wide range of energy needs, from power generation to transport. Green hydrogen is produced through a process called electrolysis, where electricity is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. When this electricity is sourced from renewable energy, the resulting hydrogen is referred to as green. The potential of green hydrogen is immense, with the capacity to decarbonize various sectors of the economy. However, the production of green hydrogen is not without its challenges. The emergence of oceanic energy systems. One emerging solution that addresses these challenges lies in the harnessing of offshore wind and marine energy for green hydrogen production. This is a relatively rare topic in the broader discussion on green hydrogen, but it has tremendous potential to revolutionize the industry. Ocean energy, harnessed from offshore wind farms and marine energy systems such as wave and tidal power, represents a largely untapped resource. The advantage of these offshore energy sources is twofold. Firstly, they can produce electricity for the electrolysis process needed to produce green hydrogen. This offers a renewable, consistent and robust power source. Secondly, these offshore locations offer ample space for the installation of electrolysis facilities and storage of produced hydrogen, thereby addressing two significant challenges in the green hydrogen production process. The pioneering partnership, Marine Power Systems and Marine 2.0. A recent collaboration between two innovative companies, Marine Power Systems, MPS, and Marine 2.0, underscores the potential of this approach. MPS has developed a patented floating technology that harnesses both wind and wave energy, offering a flexible solution for offshore renewable energy generation. On the other hand, Marine 2.0 has established expertise in maritime logistics, providing marine refueling solutions as part of the emerging hydrogen economy. Their collaborative project involves the deployment of MPS's energy capture devices, capable of harnessing wind and wave energy, to produce green hydrogen offshore. Marine 2.0 then employs its maritime logistics capabilities to transport the produced green hydrogen to end users, avoiding the need for extensive and costly infrastructure for transmission and distribution. This integrated solution tackles several challenges simultaneously. Firstly, the offshore generation of green hydrogen circumvents the need for land-based production facilities, freeing up valuable land resources. Secondly, the marine transportation and delivery of green hydrogen takes advantage of established maritime routes, reducing the reliance on extensive onshore infrastructure. Lastly, the use of marine vessels for the distribution of hydrogen offers a solution to the challenge of storing and transporting this highly volatile element. Harnessing the potential of offshore wind and marine energy. One of the key elements of this approach is the utilization of offshore wind and marine energy. These sources of renewable energy offer several advantages over their onshore counterparts. Offshore wind, in particular, is a more consistent and potent source of power, owing to the more constant and higher wind speeds at sea. Similarly, wave and tidal power provide a reliable and constant source of power that can be harnessed throughout the day. In addition to power generation, the offshore location provides the added advantage of proximity to potential storage sites for the produced green hydrogen. Depleted gas fields under the sea are being considered as potential storage reservoirs, addressing another critical challenge in the production and use of green hydrogen. A vision for the future, accelerating the transition to green hydrogen. The collaboration between MPS and Marine 2.0 is an exciting development in the journey towards a sustainable and carbon-neutral future. By pioneering the harnessing of offshore wind and marine energy for green hydrogen production, they are showcasing a model that could be replicated worldwide. Floating offshore energy is a vast source of untapped renewable energy globally. While offshore winds in shallow waters have already been harnessed using fixed-bottom wind turbines, wind and wave energy in deep water remains largely untapped. These deep water resources often provide even better energy yield due to less turbulence and higher consistency in winds, making them ideal locations for floating wind and wave energy capture devices. Furthermore, the production of green hydrogen at sea offers a unique solution to energy supply issues faced by remote areas or islands. Many of these regions currently rely on expensive and polluting hydrocarbon fuels for power generation. With offshore energy generation systems capable of producing, storing, and offloading green hydrogen, these regions could significantly reduce their carbon footprint and energy costs. This collaboration also presents an innovative way of leveraging the existing mature marine transport infrastructure for green hydrogen distribution. By producing hydrogen at sea and transporting it using marine vessels, this approach potentially bypasses the need for extensive and expensive transmission systems or modifications to the existing gas network. The maritime sector's existing infrastructure and routes can be used to deliver green hydrogen to energy-intensive demand centers swiftly and efficiently. The vision presented by the partnership between MPS and Marine 2.0 serves as a beacon for the broader energy industry. Their joint venture demonstrates a unique approach to tackling some of the biggest challenges facing the green hydrogen sector. By taking advantage of the vast, untapped potential of offshore wind and marine energy, these companies are paving the way for a more sustainable, efficient, and resilient energy future. Ultimately, the success of this venture will depend on various factors, including technological advances, regulatory support, and market dynamics. However, the initiative shown by these two companies sends a strong message to the rest of the industry. The era of green hydrogen, powered by the immense forces of our oceans, may be closer than we think. This pioneering collaboration serves as a compelling example of innovative thinking and daring entrepreneurship, inspiring others to explore the untapped potential of our oceans in the global transition to clean energy. Harnessing offshore wind and marine power for green hydrogen production represents a significant stride towards a future of sustainable and affordable clean energy solutions. The partnership between Marine Power Systems and Marine 2.0, therefore, not only presents an exciting blueprint for future projects in the field but also reinforces the crucial role of innovative collaboration in our collective journey towards a more sustainable and carbon-neutral future. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore